video, I will show you how you can make a club in Rocket League and invite players to your club. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, of course, you need to load up your Rocket League, and then you should see a little menu here. So here you need to go to Profile and press Create Club, and let's make a tag and to short, and let's make club name, for example, test. And you can make it primary color and accent color here, and then press accept. Right, so as you can see here, I just created a basically club, and basically that's pretty much it what you need to do here if you want to have a club. And if you want to invite players, just press R2 on the bottom right here, and then go to friend list. And here, if you have friends, you can basically press on the friend and invite them to your club, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.